My name is Garrett Pickrell. I'm part owner of American Heart Woodworks. We run a full operational sawmill. We do millwork as well. We do shiplap, tongue and groove. We build custom tabletops, finished mantles. We supply a lot of the lumber around the area here in Colorado. We operate with a very small crew. There's myself, my father Brad Pickrell, and our employee Stephen Cloys. With such a small crew, we're able to kick out around 30,000 board feet a month, primarily due to the machinery that we operate that we've been able to upgrade to. When we set up our sawmill out here, we were running gas motors. We were using them outside in the elements. We were in the winter during the dead, middle of a blizzard. We're outside cutting wood on a sawmill. It was miserable. It wasn't productive. It wasn't helping us. We were slow during times like that. We were moving our sawmills around constantly, trying to find the best place for them. We ended up inside trying to create a ventilation system in the building, running a gas motor, and none of it worked. We always had carbon monoxide issues. It was always a hassle with gas motors. And we finally realized that we were, the next step was to bring in an electric sawmill, and the only way to do that was to get phase converters. American Rotary, we felt, had the best option for that. They have very efficient converters. They can run all day. They're quiet. They're easy to maintain. They're basically, they take care of themselves. And what we had to do is, we're about 4 miles away from true three-phase power, so it wasn't an option for us. It was about $80,000 a mile just to get it to our property, which wasn't feasible with our budget. American Rotary converters came out, substantially more affordable than that option, and we were able to take 600 amps of single-phase power, bring it to the building, and run two 75 horsepower converters to power basically a 50 horsepower electric sawmill. And we also have a 4-head molder planer that operates at the same time, and another saw and some blowers as well. So we have a lot of motors running on these two converters that never bogs down. We never have an issue. Everything's very smooth and efficient. And like I said, now we're able to work inside, we're out of the elements. Our production's faster. The equipment's faster. Everything is really just taking a step up. I think really what sets us apart from our competition is our hands-on approach to how we run this business. We're a small crew, we kick out a large volume, and we have our hands on every board that comes through this mill. We sort for color, we sort for character, and we're able to provide our customers with a very unique finish.